actually do it. There you go. Now you see that pose. Your tails moves up and down. Fish or shark. Okay, so they're not fish. No, they're not fish, okay? They are fast and they can even reach a speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Ready, guys? Hit it!
Bilis oh.
Alright, and that seems really fast, right?
Kita mo ate Mimi. Kita mo? Nakita mo? Bilis ano?
Let's see what our dolphins can do. There you go. First up, dolphin will show us what they do when they want to see over long distances. As you can see, they can actually jump high in the air. Come on, guys. Just like that. Now, next up, folks, the dolphins will show us the breach. It is a behavior they do when they want to scratch your skin. On the surface of the water, man. That made a big splash. And since they're strong and graceful, they can even do the most amazing acrobatic behaviors. So, folks, that was the longest spin. Okay, how about a big applause for our dolphin friends? So, guys,
If those dolphins can walk on water, I will eat this fish.
oh wait, what fish? Come on, are you sure that fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're sure. Okay, then you've got yourself the deal. So, guys, show them how you do it.
They can walk on.
That's what I'm talking about. Folks, why don't we try a nice pat on the head instead?
Pat the head.
Pat it gently, okay?
Okay,
Just pat.
good girl.
Come on, not the trainers and the dolphins head again.
Dolphin?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that. So, Leah, tell me, are you now ready to dance? Yes, and how about you, Lino? Are you a good dancer?
Yes, Pop.
Okay, now let's also part. Hit it, maestro. Dolphins, huh? Take out some fish from Trainer Jen and put it to a new down thread. Toss it slowly and nice. Now let's go over here. Just, at 3 and before you go, we have a special surprise for you and for Lino. Okay, let's take it from there. How about a nice photo with your newfound friend? Come on, guys, have your friend and smile for the camera.
So big.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, it was rude. What are you doing? We don't stop that. Come on. We do offer some opportunities to challenge them, right? So come on, keep your love and get ready to jump in.
Okay.
Let's help you that. All right, let's start. Oh, nice! And wow! Okay, nice outfit. You're not ready for this, huh? Okay. Since we're all good sports here, why don't we start one with a friendly handshake? Yes? That's it, right? Oh, wait. I told you handshake. No hard balls, they come back and whoa! So, whatever. I think I know what's happening here. Maybe you didn't remember your comment about catching them for dinner. Okay, why don't you offer them some fish or two to make peace with the dolphins? Fish for peace. Oh, wait, no. They're quite unhappy with you, huh? Okay, how about apple fish? Yes, add some more. There you go. That might work. See, guys? And there you go. Now, folks, this is a fine demonstration of dolphins training a human. Goodbye. Nice. Hey, easy. I'm just kidding. So, are you ready?
Ready?
Then let's get this challenge on the way. Folks, you can do this. Okay, what a nice dive, Lilo. Remember, this is a competition between you and our dolphin friend, okay? So better show us more of your skills, huh? There you go. Wow. Well, let's see what you guys trying to do. Nice. Moving all the best folks on here. He's really good at this. Good job, both of you. Okay, now show us more because the dolphin is... Oh, wait. Come on now, run the dolphin. That is cheating. What are you doing? The dolphin don't play with you. See, I told you, Nina, stop that. What is he doing? Come on. Are you okay? Wait. Do they join there to get on the dolphin's back and get back here now? Nino, come on, get on the dolphin's back. Here comes Rose. Wait, swim, swim.
Really good.
Nino, hey. Buddy, are you okay? How are you? Hey, I'm cast member. Are you okay? Oh, it's okay. Nice. You know what? There have been many stories about dolphins and fishermen's life at sea. And today, folks, we have a living proof. Nice to be up there, huh? Okay, so with everything that happened, what can you say about these animals now?
Stay! They're awesome!
You're absolutely right. They're awesome. So why don't you try yourself off? Careful. Well, tell the folks more about themselves. Folks, once again, Nino, and welcome to the team. Congratulations. Cetaceans are highly social animals that eat and have fruits lot just like us. And here at Ocean Adventure, we have created a special family of dolphins. So our family includes all kinds. We have big and small, short and long, young and old, and even covered in spots. Every one of them is a reminder of the incredible varieties that make the ocean stand home. And as you see, these dolphins are quick, agile, strong, and graceful. They're intelligent, sensitive, and playful.